Hello everyone, welcome to the Legal Cafe. Today we will be discussing a very important recent judgment of Supreme Court of India which has been decided in 2024 itself, and it tells us about a new fundamental right. Can you tell me the name of the fundamental right? Also, on the side note, have a look at this guy and can you tell me the name of this guy? Because the Supreme Court was discussing about this guy right here. So, ये चिड़िया ये लीगल क्लास में इसलिए है क्योंकि सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने इसी के बारे में बात की थी. क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हैं कि नाम क्या है इसका? इसका नाम है ग्रेट इंडियन बस्टर्ड. और अगर आपने फंडामेंटल राइट का जवाब दिया है राइट अगेंस्ट adverse effects due to climate change, तो you are absolutely correct. तो हमने ये सीखा कि we have a new fundamental right जिसका ये नाम है. बट इस केस का क्या नाम है? केस में हो क्या रहा था? Now this great Indian bustard is usually found in राजस्थान, जहाँ पे अभी आपकी APO जुडिशरी की वैकेंसी आ गई है. From that place only. So it is critically endangered category status. So basically the Supreme Court was discussing about the critically endangered status of the bird, and in that a question arose whether any fundamental right is being infringed if there are adverse effects that people have to bear with due to climate change, and does the government owe any duty to prevent it from happening. And the Supreme Court said yes, there is a fundamental right that is being infringed over here, and the government was duty bound to prevent it from happening. And this statement and this recognition of a fundamental right has been done in the landmark case of M.K. Ranjit Singh versus Union of India. So this is it. This is everything. Oh yeah, one more question that can be asked, which people might miss, is under what articles is this fundamental right being read into, recognized by the Supreme Court? So the answer is 14 and 21. I think that is enough from this case. There is no more question that can be formed, no other question that can be formed from this judgment. And yes, we should remember all these one-line pointers. M.K. Ranjit Singh, 14 and 21, the fundamental rights name itself, which is right against adverse effect due to climate change. It might be asked under what case discussion, what was going on. Great Indian bustard, this man looks like this, Rajasthan se hai, all of this. I think that is enough. That was all that I wanted to discuss today. And for more updates on any case laws or legal concepts or anything, please continue to support the channel The Legal Cafe. And if you want any topic to be discussed, taught or clarified, or any case law to be discussed or clarified, you can comment in the comment section down below. And please like the video if you like this explanation and you like the video, and subscribe for staying updated. Thank you.